Hey there, animation enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into Adobe Animate to whip up a cool, animated worm puppet. Let's get started. First things first, open up Adobe Animate, create a new document, and choose Action Script 30. Set your stage size and background color to whatever suits your fancy. Now for the fun part, drawing. Use the brush or pencil tool to sketch out the worm's body. Break it down into segments. Don't forget the head and tail. Time for layering. Separate each segment into its own layer on the timeline. This is super important for control. Label them clearly, like head, body segment 1, tail. Next, turn each segment into a symbol. Right-click on each body part and select Convert to Symbol. Give each symbol a name and choose Movie Clip as the type. Now, grab the puppet tool, click and drag across the worm's body to add pins. These are your control points. Place several pins along the body and one on the head and tail. Test the puppet, grab the selection tool and play with those pins. See how your worm bends and wiggles. Experiment with their positions to get the right movement. At the finishing touches, draw your worm's eyes, mouth, and any other details. Place these on top of all the layers, and you're ready to go. Boom! You've got your own animated worm puppet. You can now use it in your next animation. Go wild with different movements and backgrounds to make your worm shine.